So we're now at video 10 in our jump rope tutorial series, and in this video we're going to combine the 4 intermediate moves that we've learned into a drill that you can practice at home. Those 4 moves are, of course, the double under, the southpaw, the toe tap, and then these lateral jumps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play some music and I'm going to create a drill on the fly, because that's the thing about these drills, is that it really based upon your skill level. So if you know something, you say, I'm going to do this, then I'm going to do that, and then you measure your progress and try to get better and better. And that's really how you get good quickly. So I'm going to play some music and then we're going to incorporate those moves along with the introductory moves, the side swings, the boxer step, and the crossovers. So let's go ahead and play some music and incorporate those intermediate moves into our jump. And I'll do it both in front and on the side as well. So we're just gonna start warming up, get onto the beat, and we'll start with the boxer step. Okay, now we're gonna do some southpaws. Both ways. So let's do southpaws with just one hand for like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that we're warmed up, we're gonna start with a side swing to a double under, and then a side swing back into the boxer step. So here you go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to the boxer step. Okay, now we'll do some lateral moves. Staying on beat. Now we'll do some toe taps. Now I'm going to move to the side while I'm jumping. And we'll do that again. Let's do the southpaw, one side for 5. Start with the dominant side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the lateral. Oops. Here we go. Lateral. Toe tap. Now we're twisting the double under. Swing back to boxer step. Toe tap. Southpaw. Toe tap, lateral. So 4 new moves. Southpaw. Toe tap. So it's a simple drill that you can do at home. Of course, based upon your skill level, you can choose what moves you want to do. Create variations, but you have to go through every single move. You should be able to jump into the next move. So keep playing around, but when you're practicing, be very deliberate the way that you practice, because that's the best way that you're going to build those skills and get good at jump rope really quickly. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I have a jump rope playlist with all the different types of videos, and I'm going to continue right from beginners all the way to the advanced. I'm Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again at the next video.